that was just about to rot through. There you go. Mega faff. Let's get all this cleaned off, I think. Nothing to do with me. Is only the damage. That's to do with me. I might give this away as a prize for someone. All I've got left over is a POW sticker and a VW Motorsport. Right. I can't wait any longer. I'm gonna have to have a look at this. I managed to pull some of that out with a rubber suction device, but I think it's time we take all this off and see if I can get that wing off. I've got a replacement, so yeah, I haven't done an update video, but we'll talk about what happened at the end of this one, so stay tuned. Okay, but let's have a look, see what's going on. That's what it begins. Torch. There's my groovy torch. Right, so I've been scuppered immediately. There's that. There's that. I think it goes all the way up there. That fell off. Okay, that's one. Car's helping me now. Take that bolt off. I don't want to take all this off, really. I can help it. What the hell is that? if in doubt, force it out. Boy, oh boy. What a mess. Right, so I've just dropped the headlight out to get to these. There's a couple of bolts in there, but you've got to get from underneath, from under there. These are out. Hopefully once I've got them out and the one down the bottom of the sill, that wing should just come off. I'll bring you back once because I'm going to be fighting and you're not going to be able to see how I am getting on because of the angle. I'll bring you back when that's off. Well, I've got these ones out. There's one tucked down the back there, but I've got to turn the wheel in to get to that. So I'll do that. And then hopefully we'll have some progress. Update. I've moved it out because I didn't have enough room, but I'm stuck on two rusty bolts down there, and then I've got the matter of getting behind that door. So I'll bring you back when the penetrating fluid has done its work. Let's go. Have you ever had the feeling that when you start a job and you wish you'd never had? Well, that's me. But we've just managed to got that off. This is where we're at. Water bottle. A little clip there. And then that there. Oh, crusty. Right. Looks like there's one more down there somewhere. So we're going to go find it. But I think it's probably down here somewhere, maybe. Let's have a look. I'll bring it back. Right, so that is off. There you go. Mega faff, but luckily everything came off as it should. Bit crusty. I might give that a clean out. Yep. Yep. Not rotten. Not rotten. So that's a bonus. Oh boy. Right, I'll give this a clean. Look at that. Genuine Ford. But yeah. Let's get all this cleaned off, I think. Right. Let's get to it. Alright, I've just given that a wipe and I've just straightened out that bit of the door. The door still needs replacing or repairing. I'm going to put this temporary wing on so I can carry on using the car, which is also going to need respraying. It's not a good wing by any means. It's going to need replacing again or respraying and blending, but at least I can have the car up and running. So it'll time lapse me trying to get that back on, and then we'll have a chat about what happened and where we are. Whew. Nightmare. Right, so that's the wing pretty much on. Just the headlight left, and a little bit of trim and a mud guard. But yeah, it's not a lovely wing and it's not a match. Mine's obviously faded somewhat, but I think the overall plan is when everything is concluded insurance wise, this will be blended into that. Simple as. Right, so it's time lapse putting the headlight in, getting those last bits on, and then it'll be story time, I guess. Let's go. Right, so that's the wing on. Like I said, it's not a perfect colour match, but it's a wing, and it's not that wing anymore. So yeah, it's missing something. Although I'm not going to put the decals I have on the shelf ready to go. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to wait for this. I'm going to sand polish and then send this off probably to be blended in once the insurance is all sorted. But at least it's drivable now. But I've got something kicking around that you could probably put on there. Let's go have a look. I said that all I've got left over is a POW sticker and a VW Motorsport. Yeah, I don't. Okay, we'll stick a pin in that. I'll find some stickers. I might go to Halfords and see what they got, see if they got anything. But yeah, I guess it's story time. Let me get this car back in the garage and we'll have a chat. Also, I did notice something, because every cloud has a silver lining. That was just about to rot through. These sills all right, but that would have caused it a bit of a headache, because that would have spread over to there. So I guess this wing's life was coming to an end anyway, so I guess we got that to be grateful for. Bloody wings. Right, story time. Also, when this is done and dusted, I might give this away as a prize for someone. Yeah, maybe, if anyone wants it. Right, let's go. Right, so I know everyone has been wondering what happened to the car and why the wing now looks like a Pringle, but I can't say too much because the insurance stuff aside of it is all still pending and going through. I don't have much concern in my side because the car was parked legally and safely, and I was actually in the car when it happened, but I'm not going to mention any names or companies or businesses, but a large vehicle reversed into a main road across 2 lanes of traffic and then straight into the side of my car. Why and how that happened, that's not for me to explain. It's certainly confusing, puzzling, troubling, because pedestrians were shouting at the vehicle to stop. But as I said, that's not down to, I don't have to explain that. They have to explain why they were reversing into a main road, despite having mirrors and parking sensors, and it's also contrary to the highway code, so to speak. But nothing to do with me. Is only the damage that's to do with me. So as far as the insurance is concerned, this will be dealt with through theirs. They took full liability for that. Yeah, huge shout out to Ashley, who was good enough to scream and shout with his partner at the vehicle. It's unfortunate it was in vain, so to speak. But yeah, it's just going to take time in order to get the funds through to repair my car, but it's going along smoothly at the minute. So I just needed to get this car on the road. I hadn't looked at it for a couple of weeks. Didn't want to look at it because I think that more of the damage was done to my pride. My pride was hurt more than anything else. Having just kind of completed the bonnet vents that morning, sealing them up, wanted to take it for a little drive. Thought I'd surprise the boy, doing the school run, and kablamo, it was toast in the blink of an eye. All right, so when everything's sorted and done, I'll probably talk more about who and what, but I don't think we need to go down that road. It was an accident. I mean, accidents are caused by mistakes, and that certainly was a mistake on their part. So yeah, but there you go. But we're getting there. I've got my decals. I've just put on a wing. The wing's not great. It's got loads of scuffs on it, so I've touched them up. I'm going to cut it and polish it, and probably send it to the body shop to be done with the door, and then the new decals will go back on, and the car will be locked away and be never seen again, because I can't risk this happening ever again. So the car will be buried somewhere, and that's it. People can come and see me and say, can I go see the car? I'll show them the car, and that's that. But I'm never driving this car again after this. It's all right to drive it now because that wing is still a humdinger, but it's not as dented as that one. So yeah, all right, there you go. That's the story, and it's a true story, not make believe. Thanks for watching me fettle with this car today. I'm glad it's done. I gotta go home. I need a drink. I'm so thirsty. It's so hot in this garage. There's no air. There's no light. My back hurts and my fingers are hurting as well. It had a 7 out of 10 on the bastard scale. This job, 7 out of 10. That's what I give it. You could do this yourself, but it's a bastard. All right. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.